Okay, tell me what that is.
It's a caterpillar.
It means what's still alive?
Mother Nature is really good because the caterpillars and all the other stuff stays alive if it's Mother Nature. I can see!
What is that, Nicholas, in that can?
A caterpillar.
Oh, and who is that holding the can? Who's that?
Nick, who am I?
What's her name?
I want to see.
You want to see the caterpillar?
I'm letting him see, but look down. No.
What do you think, Ken?
I let Cameron see it on the stick.
Oh.
I want to see it. Nick, you already got to see it. Hey, I want to see it.
Nicholas, does she have Mother Nature in her can?
No.
Or is it a caterpillar? Poor brother. Don't drop that. Put it down. Thank you, darling. Thank you.